Hey True Believers, Eglantine here. We are here to basically eat everything at the Waterway Grill and do other things. What are the other things? I don't know. That's always up to Gail, but we're I'm sure it'll be fun. She's a fun gal sometime. Well, they won't play with the old man. Hopefully they play with the kids. But SeaWorld is kind enough to give this little education board where you can find out what all of the ducks and the birds are called. And we always come to say hello to the ducks. Hello, ducks. And really cool. That is so cute.
Oh, wow.
I like the ducks. I like ducks. What are you going to do? So, oh, that's that guy right there. You can see him swimming swimming away from us at this point. My hand is so big in the frame. But yeah, North American Ruddy. That's the gay duck. What was his name?
Duncan.
Gay duck Duncan. Yeah, was a North American Ruddy duck. And there you go. Oh no, he was a white-faced whistler. That's right, because he whistled a lot. There you go. That was Gay Duck Duncan. That's so cool. Alrighty. Let's go see what's new under the sun. Ah! Alright. Oh, they still have Christmas stuff.
Not as much. We scaled it down.
'Tis the season to like SeaWorld. La 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 la. Maybe it's just their permanent Christmas shop. I mean, Universal has one. So does Universal. I like the Santa Claus Lane sign.
Because at Christmas it was going all the way across.
This is my kind of Christmas decoration right there, a little old style. Yeah, I like that. Almost looks like what is it in the 40s? Like It's a Wonderful Life or something like that. I dig that, or Christmas Story. My theme park resolution, I told the family this, is I want to get a t-shirt and a hat from every theme park we go to this year at some point in time. It's just which one. Right now Disney's pushing their purple stuff. Now I don't want anything with a date though. I'm not looking for like SeaWorld 2019 and next year get 2020. I want to get something cool that's obviously SeaWorld. Some of these shirts I don't think really hit that.
These are the Guy Harvey ones.
Yeah, it's a cool.
So you could buy this outside of SeaWorld too.
Yeah, it does have a SeaWorld label right there, but it doesn't look SeaWorld specific to me. And oh yeah, that's actually, I like this. Yeah, you know I like the loud button-down shirts. That actually looks pretty good. That's my personality right here. When I'm out.
Not that bad.
What is it? It's like
42.50 compared to the ones at Disney are like 100 and
yeah, wow.
Or close to 100, like 98.
This just looks like average fisherman hat. Yeah, I want a SeaWorld hat. I mean, I'm wearing a SeaWorld hat right now, but it's actually my nephew's. Very good stuff though. You don't have to stop singing for us. I encourage it, as a matter of fact. We don't stop the music. Here we go. Like SeaWorld established in 1964, that would be awesome. Except for not kid version or woman's version, which I'm seeing a lot of. Alright, it's good to know that SeaWorld is running the carousel. I wish they had a few more of their Happy Harbor rides up and running, but they're getting ready for that Sesame Street. And you see over there, they're busy working. Can't really make heads or tails from this angle about any of the attractions. We just got what looks like a house and a building. I know if we go up on the Skye ride, we'll be able to see the pink track of what looks like to be a roller coaster. But and we'll check that out a little bit later to see what construction's going on. But as you can see, the gentlemen are hard at work. Getting everything ready, and one guy's over here on the roof behind the tree. There's a So there you go. We'll keep updating. I'm actually kind of excited. And nobody needs to tell me how to get to Sesame Street because it's right over there. That's a pretty tall drop for a kiddie coaster. I think that might actually scare Gail. Hey Gailey, look at this kiddie coaster over here. That might be too much for you. Oh, it looks pretty cool. I like the brick house they're building over here. You can tell the building right there is a little, awesome. Can't wait. I think it's gonna be cool. I know, I'm a 48-year-old man going, Sesame Street's coming, it's gonna be cool, can't wait. Alrighty. Anyway.
I know it's just 2019, but
sometime this year. Everybody announces whatever's coming out is gonna come out in the fall. And for Disney Hollywood Studios, I'll bet you fall for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge means like December 31st. Anyway, there you go, guys. The Sesame Street construction. Rock on. Oh, look at that. That is a nice view of the Sesame Street construction right there. Look at that. Oh, yeah. This is a really good area.
look at that cute little roller coaster.
Yeah.
Look at how tiny that is compared to what we just passed.
Yeah. I think it's going to be fun.
Amount of the world's water is discharged from the mighty Mackenzie, Lena, O, and Yenisei rivers into the Arctic Ocean.
For the first time in probably a decade and a half, Gailey and I are going to go on the ride part of Wild Arctic because she wants to see me throw up. It was her idea. It's all her. Alrighty.
Are you stuck, little guy?
No, he's not stuck. He's like, I'm out of here.
That was really cute. They look so cool when they swim. And this guy's upside down. Now, there's a dolphin they've got at the Aquatica who also swims upside down. And this is so they could see predators that might come from the top.
We swim upside down.
Because I asked him about that. I was like, is there something wrong? Why are they swimming upside down? And that's what the lady said. It was because they were keeping an eye out for predators who might come from the top, and I thought that was really cool, very interesting, nice, very kind of serene, isn't it? I think it's part of the reason, part of the fact that there's not a lot of people in here, but it really does. It's a kind of a relaxing atmosphere.
Cute faces.
Oh yeah, that thing right here with the big puppy dog eyes. Almost looks like he's sleeping.
Is he sleeping?
Yeah, the eyes are shut. There he goes. Holy tacos. Look at the tusks on that guy.
He just took a breath. Is that what he's doing?
Yeah. Wow. And that's the front, and the back is this big old thing right here. Look at this guy.
He's got himself wedged in the corner like that.
Oh. And he goes up for a breath again. Is he gonna go? Nope. Dang, man, imagine those tusks. I mean, that's what he used to fight with. about a gajillion pounds. His skin looks like a leather couch, or like a, you know, it really does. It's, look at that. And there's one over there as well.
Usually the whales are out.
Yeah, no.
The past couple times we've come, they haven't been out.
And there's one doing something over
Spot where
here.
I couldn't see.
Yeah.
This is kind of
Parks
cool.
has a lot of great perks too. So every park has their perks. How long have you been here? I've worked here for 6 years. Oh wow. Coming up on 7. 7 with the company, 6 in education.
So are you a theme park person?
Yes.
There are.
I grew up in Florida.
Me too. Theme park people are there. There's a certain kind of person that can work in theme parks and just they can exist in them because there's a. It's the ability to be mad as hell on the inside, off stage. But God, I'm gonna freaking. Hey guys, how you doing? And it's just okay. And it's not just you're faking it. It's you're literally not mad as soon as you step out into the. It's a weird thing, but I think theme park people can do that. But once you go backstage, God, I can't believe this. Yeah. There you go, gang. What'd you think? I always have a nice time with Gail at SeaWorld. We even sent a picture to or a video to Twitter where I'm talking to her about how serene the park is, and it really is. I even mentioned it a little bit in this video when we're at the Antarctic, and just saying, wow, you know, if you could just kick back, relax, enjoy the animals, and this is a very serene park. If you're running from ride to ride to ride, I can understand it's not, because they've got some rough rides, but the way we do it, yeah, really nice, really nice. Anyway, what do you think of the video? Let us know in the comments below. Also, please click like, share, get word out about the channel is always important. Hit subscribe if you haven't done it already. Notifications, because I don't want you to miss anything. And don't forget to watch the videos. This is the way I'm trying to make a living. If you don't mind helping out the channel, go on over to Patreon or to Ko-Fi, or even to PayPal. Drop $1 in the till. All the links are in the description below. There is supporter-only content on each page. So, well, not PayPal, but on Ko-Fi and Patreon. So by all means, check that out as well. Thank everybody who's already done that. And to everyone, all of the true believers, thank you very, very much for watching.